Hi folks, how you been finding the weather these last few days? Tricky? Well, I'm driving my Subaru, so I'm a bit bored. It just handles it far too easily, so I'm going to try and find something a little bit more adventurous. There's a field over there. Let's see if we can drive across that in this standard Outback 2-litre diesel SE Premium. Hopefully it should take it in its stride. Let's have a look. 4-wheel drive, standard road tyres. Yeah. Hope the farmer doesn't catch me. But this is more fun. Wouldn't you agree? Do you do Subaru? We do. And if you do, you'll get wherever you want to go. So give us a call at Newman and Reedy and experience just what it's like not to get stuck. Ever. Thank you for watching. I'm going to go now before the farmer shoots me. Bye.